Good afternoon, dear students. Now, today I am going to start new chapter, chapter 4. Everyone has some skills. All of you read along with me. Students, the skills means the ability to do something. Now let's see what qualities of Shreya have. Shreya is good in studies. She is also a good singer. She knows what she is a good singer. She is developing it as her hobby. Developing means improving and hobby means interest. Now students, you think and write. God has gifted everyone with some special skills. Now you know the meaning of skills, the ability to do something. Shreya has identified. The meaning of identified is recognize. Her skill. Do you know what special skill you have? Here you have read that Shreya has recognized her skill. She recognized what quality she has. That is, she is good in studies, she is a good singer, and she developing it as her hobby. Students, you also recognize what special skill you have. Now here the questions are given, and after reading the question, you give the answer of these questions. Are you a good student? Now you recognize. If you are a good student, then write yes. What is your hobby? Recognize in which you take more interest, that is your hobby. Then what is your hobby? You write it here. Now what will you like to be when you grow up? Yes, when you grow up, then what will you like? To become a doctor, to become an engineer, to become a dancer, to become a advocate. To what will you like to be when you grow up? So write your answer in this blank. If you have some special skills, write what it is. Yes, everyone has some special skills. Now what special quality you have? That quality you should write it here. Now I read the extent part. We all have some special skills. Yes, everyone has some special skills, but some of us know it and some do not. Yes, some people know about that skills and some people don't know about that skills. Most of the people do not come to know their inner skills, especially during childhood. If we recognize our inner skills, we can develop them in a better way. Yes, it is very correct, students. Sometimes we don't know about our inner skills. If we know them, then we develop them in a better way. Our teachers, our parents will recognize very easily what skills we have. Suppose some students have very good in drawing, some students have very good commanding power. So our parents, our teachers recognize very easily. Some of the students also recognize their inner skills, but most of the students not recognize their inner skills. Now, If a child recognizes his or her inner skill, then he or she may be very efficient in it in the future, because he or she will get enough time to develop this skill. So students, if you recognize your inner skills, then you may be developing your skills, what weakness in that, and work according to them. You must have heard about Sachin Tendulkar, the most famous cricket player of the world. Yes, everyone knows about the Sachin Tendulkar. He is a famous cricket player of the world. Now students, look at page number 22. He knew about that he would become a good cricketer when he was a school student. Now students, as he know about his inner skill that he become a good cricketer, he recognized when he was a school student. He began to practice cricket properly. He transformed his hobby into his career. And he knows from his childhood that he is a good cricketer, so he practiced cricket properly and he developed his interest in cricket and choose as his career. His timely decision and sincere efforts made him the most popular cricket player. At the right time, he take the decision, and his very much efforts, dedication made him the most popular cricket player.